Hi, this is our project. The name of our project is Inventory System. This is, I will log in the admin. So let's log in. This is the dashboard of our admin. Manage users of admin. Manage product, reports, and activity. First, I will discuss manage user. Here in the manage user, we can change everything here. For example, in user, yeah, we can edit the user into user 1 into user and user, and it's we can make the user admin, but for now we're going let's stay the employee. Let's update the user. Let's but there's another we can reset the password of a user, but we don't do that for now. Yeah. And second, I will discuss product manage product. Here we can here in manage product we can add a product here, description of a product, the quantity of the product, and the price of the product. Let's make an example. Example, shirt. Um, the quantity of the product. Let's say 10 of 10. The price of the product is around 500 199. That's it. Let's add the product. Successful added. Product added successfully. Here at the bottom, we see the product that we add earlier. And also we can edit. We can edit, let's say 12 and update it. Yeah, it's already changed. The third is reports. Here at reports, it's kind of in inventory reports. We can see the all product inventory and recent transaction summary. We can print the reports, and yeah, that's it. For now, we will cancel it. And the last one in a admin dashboard in the activity logs. Here in the activity logs, we're going to see here the actions of every users. Here the ID users, system administrator, username admin user, day action, product update, actions of every users, update, add. Earlier nag-update tayo ng product, nag-add din tayo ng product, and we also edit the user name and the login, logout, and so on and so forth. Yeah, and we're going to see the user. user 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 here. Here I will discuss the user dashboard. In the user dashboard, we're going to see here that all of the products and my transactions today. First, I will discuss the stock manage. Here, here we can stock in if may darating na mga product, we can add this in stock in to add. Example, we have already 12, but may dumating na 10 and add stock. Yun. And the second one is stock out. If may nakuha na stock, for example, 5, we can remove the stock, and yeah, it's already minus it and the current and yung kanina na stock. Yan. Here, second one, we're going to view the reports. Yeah, product inventory of a user, of an employee, my transactions. If I am the employee, all of my transactions, the product name of my transactions, stock in, stock out, the quantity of every product that dumating at lumabas, the previous quantity, the new quantity, and remarks and date. And also here we can print the reports. Yeah. And lastly, my profile. Here, my profile. My profile. Here in my profile, we're going to see here the profile information. User ID is 3. Username, user, role, employee, status, active. Right now, we're na-login natin to. Nandito tayo sa kaya active siya ngayon. Created March 21, 2026. Also, we can edit here the username, in user 1. Update the profile name. It's already user 1. Also here we can change the password. Recently the user password is user12345. So now we will change it into user123. Change the password. Okay, it's already changed, and we're going to log out and test it. If user 1 and user 123